Some resorts are loud, busy and full on, but Pefkos feels like the kind of place people discover once and then keep coming back to. Today we're going to find out why. Is it the beaches? Is it the restaurants? The relaxed village feel? Or is Pefkos one of those places that just quietly gets under your skin? Hey up everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to Pefkos here in Rhodes. Now this place is very popular and people keep telling me that they come back here year after year. And basically some people have been coming for 20 years. So I wanted to come and check it out myself and see why it's got such a pull. So let's go and explore it. I've heard it's beautiful. If you want to come with me, I'd love you to. Let's go. So we're going to start on the top road here in Pefkos. And I have heard it's very traditional Greek. So maybe that's why people keep coming back and back year after year. But like I said, we're going to have a look and see if we can find out why. There's lots of little restaurants though. And they all actually look very Greek. What's the prices like here? Greek salad €11. Lamb shank 19, souvlaki 15.50. That is actually really cool though. And that is actually really nice. And apparently it's got the largest pool in Pefkos. Do you know what? They're not actually bad prices. I thought it were going to be a lot more expensive here, but it's about €1 dearer, which isn't bad. Another nice one there, zigzag bar. This looks pretty cool. And you know what, their cocktails are €8.50, that's a bargain. Long drink $7.50. How nice is that? Do you know what, I could see myself sat there at an evening having a nice pina colada. Yeah, very nice. As you can see, it's got plenty of restaurants on this top road. There's absolutely loads of them. And it's so quiet. Do you know what? It's right what I've heard. It has got like a real nice traditional Greek feel about it, this place. And do you know what? It's quite flat on this top road because Pefkos is actually built on a hill, and we're actually at the top of it at the minute. Then it goes down the hill towards the beach. So, but yeah, this top road is really flat. Posh souvenirs. And you know, as you walk down this road, there's just loads and loads of restaurants, all very nice as well. This is the Three Pigs. Chicken dishes €16, pork dishes €20. This is a little more on the expensive side. But like I say, it's a lovely chilled out resort this. I'm liking the vibe here. There's a few people having their breakfast in this one. Must be popular. Sports and cocktail bar. Obviously not open at the minute because we're in the morning. I do like this about Greece though. Just outside at bars, they put some stuff in for kids to play on. Keep them entertained. Yeah, and a lot of places do that in Greece. And it's a good idea, isn't it? And then it's free. They're not nagging you all the time. Can I have £1? Can I have €1? Although it's not €1 these days, is it? It's can I have €10? It's George's family restaurant. What does he charge for a souvlaki? €16. Cheapest we've seen so far. Yeah, so that's George's. €16 for a souvlaki. Just look at them hills as well overlooking Pefkos. Look, that's another lovely looking cocktail bar. That's Zin. Do you know what, I better not fetch Karen here, it'll cost me a fortune in cocktails. Yeah, it's strange this, isn't it? Because it's like, we're only like 5 minutes from Lindos, and that at minute will just be packed with tourists. Be hot, you'll be spending a fortune, and then you've got this just out road. There's no like ancient monuments here, but it is a lovely Greek village, or should I say resort. Right, that's the street that goes down to the beach. We'll do that in a minute. Just want to check out up here first. Palm's busy. Oh, you get a free coffee with your breakfast in there. But I will keep saying it, there's some lovely restaurants. €22 for a chicken souvlaki there. Enigma. You're a little bit expensive. Do you know what, saying that though, it does feel like a bit of a more upmarket resort. So I should imagine prices are a bit inflated here. But wow, what a lovely place. Peacock cocktail bar. Open air courtyard. Looks quite big that. Yeah, it looks like we're just leaving Pefkos now. I just do want to walk up here a little bit longer. Another cocktail bar. Look at that, oh, scratching cat. Tattoo studio. That bar looks nice. Wish it were open. Could have a mythos. But there'll be no mythos today for me, because it's only 10:30 in the morning and I do need a coffee. I've been up since 8 and I've not had a coffee or any breakfast yet. At the rock garden. Yeah, I'm just walking up here in this heat because I've heard there's a nice little lookout spot with views of the ocean, which you should have when it's elevated. Anyway, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for all these travel videos all around the world. Drop a comment below, let me know what you think of Pefkos. Have you been? Wow, what lovely views over at Aegean. So let me know, was it worth that extra little bit of walking and sweating for the views? They weren't bad really, were they? Do you know what, it's really impressing me. It's completely opposite to Falaraki, of course. If you haven't seen that video yet, go and watch it, I'll stick it up here. And it's probably one of the places that I would choose to come on holiday. So I can see why a lot of people return here year after year. Oh, I need a coffee. So this is the main street down to the beach now. And this looks beautiful, really, really traditional. And some lovely restaurants on it. Starting with a pizza and pasta. Happy Friends. They've got pads on the sunbeds. That looks really nice, that. With one of them places that smash your burgers up. I really don't get that. But how nice is this street? So many of these restaurants just look really, really traditional. It feels like you're properly in Greece, doesn't it? Music quiz Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, 10:30 in the pub. Oh, they do Northern Soul in there and all. Motown. One for you there, mother. It's really cute, isn't it? Acoustic rock live with Andreas. Cocktails 9.5. What signatures are 12. But that is a cool cocktail bar. Yeah, it's a really nice, lovely street, this, isn't it? It's got loads of stuff on it, loads of bars, and like I said, they all look really traditional Greek. It really is a lovely place. I'm going to keep saying it. Drop it in them comments, what do you think? Wow, look at pads on them beds. Two Brothers. It's another nice one, isn't it? Mixed grill with chips and rice, €17. Pefkos, 17.40. It's not bad. Then you get a cocktail lounge. There's plenty to do here, I'll tell you that. You're not going to go short of drinks or food here. Wonder what they sell. Yeah, and as you can see, in a typical Greek style, no paths. We love it, don't we? Good old Greece. Livio Sunset Diner. Juicy spare ribs in the oven with honey red sauce, $14.50. That's nice. You can even jump in pool after, look, after your meal. Naga. Another posh looking restaurant. And another. There is literally loads of them. Steak, $21.50, that's not bad. Homemade burger for kids, €6.50. Do you know what, that's not bad at all, is it? Quite a decent price, that. Right, I've stopped for a bit of breakfast. I've ordered Eggs Benedict on a muffin. Obviously it comes on a muffin, Eggs Benedict, doesn't it? But you know what I mean. And I'm in a lovely bar. And a coffee's on its way. And this is People's Snack Bar here in Pefkos. Looks lovely, doesn't it? And the Americano's here, and I'm ready for this. Cheers everyone. It's not a beer, but it'll do. Oh, nice and strong coffee. Just what the doctor ordered. And here is the Eggs Benedict. Look at them. Wow. Well, eggs are runny. Let's see what this is like. Looking nice. Oh yeah, that's really nice. English bacon as well. Always good when you get English bacon abroad. Cooked to perfection, that egg as well. That'll definitely put me on till tonight. Well, that were absolutely delicious. That were €8.50 that. Which to say, I've been paying like €9–10 for a yogurt, Greek yogurt. I thought that were excellent value. And I'll probably not need out else all day now, so very good. This is the People's Snack Bar. Highly recommend it. Right, so we'll carry on. All English flags up for World Cup. And another lovely Greek restaurant here. Authentic Greek cuisine. You know what? It's so nice here. And that come to €12 for that Eggs Benedict and a coffee. So, not too bad, is it? But yeah, this place has really impressed me. It is absolutely beautiful. Do you know what? I suppose, I mean, I don't know what it's like at night, but if you want big party life, nightlife, a bit like Falaraki, you're going to be disappointed coming here. But if you want, you know, traditional Greek resort, this is perfect. Anyway, let's head down and see what beach is like. Got a lovely little apartment block here, the Matina Pefkos Apart Hotel. That actually looks really nice. And in a great spot. I'm just so impressed how many bars and restaurants there are for such a small place. He's doing English breakfast here, €5.50 all day. Wow, that's cheap. Well, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I can see the beach. And this is actually Lee Beach, as you can see, Lee Beach food and drink here. Because there is a bar overlooking the beach, which actually looks quite nice. If I had to just have my breakfast, I probably would have gone in there. Looks pretty good, that. Here you go, to the beach. These have got a saxophonist on every Wednesday and Sunday. Pretty cool, that, isn't it? And here we have Lee Beach at Pefkos. I'll tell you what, it's got some amazing views. Wow. So like I said, this is Lee Beach. And Pefkos has actually got several beaches. It's got Kavos Beach and St Thomas Beach and Pefki Beach as well. But this is the main one in the town. And there's plenty of people sunbathing on it. Very popular. And you know what? This is probably the biggest reason people love Pefkos. This beach, it's calm, it's easy, it's close to everything. And you know what? It just feels like a sort of beach you could sit on and lie all day. Do you know what? It's not like really dramatic beach, but it's like, how can you say, it's like, it's usable. It's like people can use it. It's full of families, full of couples, older generation people as well. Everybody can use it, and it's, like I say, it's very calm, and it looks like it's pretty shallow as well, so you can walk out for a long way. But yeah, it's a nice beach. Just look at this sand, it's so soft, so nice. It's beautiful. And it's got some lovely beach bars on it and all. And pads on sunbeds. It's always a good thing, innit, that? Pads on sunbeds. And that is Pefkos. And I set out at the start of this video thinking, I wonder what makes people come back year after year. And you know what? Now I know. It's not because it's the biggest resort or the loudest. It's because it's the most traditional. It's got loads to do. And it's just a lovely, nice, chilled atmosphere. Anyway, this is where I'm going to end today's video. Thank you so much for coming with me if you've got this far. Please do hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button for more travel videos. And until the next one, goodbye.